So the last few days I've been prepping for Clean Culture Atlanta, the Atlanta Autofest. So far I've done my headliner. It was drooping and it was gray, so I changed it to black. Painted the calipers. Oh god, here we go. Painted the calipers yellow. Chris gave me some new canards, so I put those on. And every time I tried to film, it was either like instant or I forgot my memory card. And that's what happened when I was doing the calipers, was I forgot my memory card. Right now, Alex is on the way over here. We're going to be finishing up the car, or at least trying to finish. I got to do my tire lighters in the front tomorrow. Right now I'm masking off the front emblem. Got it all cleaned up. Got all the plastic dip off because I'm going to be painting this black instead of doing plastic dip, because plastic dip, it just looks matte. I did my back emblem in gloss black and it looks really good. So I'm just going to do it here. Hopefully everything works out okay. And I put fingerprints on it. Damn it. So yeah, I'm going to try to show you the best I can when I mask this off. I normally start where the corner meets and just trying to stick it, bend it, stick it, bend it, and then once all that's laid, crease in. That way you don't get any odd lines on the chrome piece itself, because you want to make sure that's all painted thoroughly. So there you go. That's my trick. Is that an Evo dog? Chris had, those are Chris's old ones. They broke. I super glued them back. Or at least the mounting points are broke. So I super glued those and stuck them on.
Damn, those brake calipers look so good.
I know, dude. I love them.
Okay.
So I got this. I gotta paint those. I want to tint these, but I just don't know how to do it. I mean, I know how to do it, but I don't know how to get those out. Unless I have to unscrew them from the back of the bumper, which I might have to do.
Yeah. This man over here, here's his water. That was mine.
True friendship.
So what are we doing here, Bird?
Today we're painting my emblem. Because the plastic dip looked trashy, it was fading. So I'm going to paint it gloss black just like my rear emblem. We're ready. We're fucking ready. Alright, let's get her done. First coat. Ready. We're going back. We never go back. Once we go black, we never go back. You heard it here first, folks. I try to spray it, but if you're having trouble, Bird, you can talk to me, it's okay. Totally missed that. Shut the fuck up. I know what I did. Alright, the left dry. Use that. Motherfucker! Oh! Okay. Yeah, I heard when you grab my dick too hard. Oh, I don't have my hat on. Damn, I look terrible. Damn.
That's good for Bird. Too late now.
Fuck it, it's like... There ain't any wool up here. Good old wool.
Well,
Wool.
like, say it like Zach does.
Wool. Wool? Fuck, I got something on my foot.
Good old oil change.
What?
Oh, that's extra on there.
No fucking no, I ain't drinking that shit. Been in here forever. Round 2, fight.
Let's go. Four? Three, four. Okay. Well, we're on 3 now. So let's see how 3 turns out, and then
We'll do 3. Go do the banner. Go back to 4. Buy the driver night. Put it back down 1. Or 4. Whatever. Put on 3.
but as soon as it...
Yeah, good.
Yeah, like you said, it goes on that, and as soon as it, like, connects... I don't know why I say connects. What's the word I'm looking for, Bird? You always...
Adheres.
No.
Or bonds. Or
Bond's a good word. Settles.
settles.
There we go.
It's like a
As
couple.
soon as it settles,
Yeah. Golden.
glosses up.
But during
Very nice.
the proposal, it's...
Yeah. So matte and just bland. I mean, come on now.
Yeah.
You can't.
Oh. Dude. Plasti dips for pussies. Sorry, Chris.
Oh yeah, that's not dry. Do you think we need it? Because we forgot to put the thing up. What do you think the wants were? In the process, we're also putting a banner on my car and removing excess stickers and cleaning the windshield for the banner, for said banner. So, we're losing our minds. It's also, I'd say about 2 past a freckle. So,
This man right here.
so roughly 1 o'clock. Yeah, thank you, Bert.
It's 1:15.
1:15. There you go. He forced me to have a soda. No, I didn't. He said I was bad, so he's bad. Go for it.
Banner. Bruce Banner. He dies in an Infinity War.
Spoiler alert! Come on, man.
Bro, I haven't even watched it. So where we're at right now, it's pretty much done. The paint's a little damp, making me a little bit hesitant to take it off. Because once I take the tape off, there's likelihood that the paint on the tape is adhered to the paint on the emblem, and it could stretch the paint. Don't really want to do that. But I can take the towels off, so see how it matches. Alright. So as I take this off,
Ow. I hit myself in the head.
don't hurt yourself.
I'll
You
try
can see
not
the
to.
paint stretching. I don't want it to do that on the emblem. It's like, I don't mind waiting, like that's no big deal. I just really want my car to be perfect before this event.
Also, this man thinks the car won't be worthy of any rewards.
I really don't.
Not rewards, but awards. Sorry.
Dude,
Again, it's late.
What happened? That is weird. Luckily, you can't see that.
Is the other side like that?
I don't know. Good question.
The ultimate reveal.
Yep. I think it was the goof off. Honestly. The paint didn't stick to my fingers. I think we're good. I mean, it did right there, but that was from earlier.
It should be good, but I'd still let it sit
Fuck
till.
it. Yeah.
Okay. As Bird says, full send it.
Full fucking. God, motherfucking sticky ass residue. I'm gonna pro send it. I'm gonna pull away from it so that if it does, just kind of hold on. Your boy knows what he's doing sometimes. Now, if that ain't a damn near perfect job, I don't know what it is. Don't mind the residue. That shit's gonna come off. Don't worry about it. Drops it. Lands in grass. Gets covered in dirt. Cries. Doesn't make the clean culture. Dies.
Of embarrassment.
Of embarrassment. Dude, like if I drop this on camera, I'd honestly be pissed at myself. I think I would honestly quit the car scene forever. Without a doubt. I'd be done. Okay. Dude. Dude, it's fucking popping.
Boy.
If that ain't fucking beautiful, I don't know what is. Same way.
So, in the midst of all that, we also, but shout out to our boy Mikey Flynn. Great videos, man. Keep it up. But we also did a thing on mine. Went ahead and got me repping. Disregard the rest of the dirty window, but oh yeah.